Hey kids, how you all doing? So I'm back again for another unboxing. First video of 2018 and it's the Adidas Koln. I've actually had to wait for this because my wonderful girlfriend bought me these for Christmas. So I've had to be very patient. And but we're here now. So without any further delay, let's crack the box open and have a look inside. First thing to say, you do get this unique paper in the box. So these come out right at the end of last year, and along with the Dublin reissue was arguably the highlight of the whole of 2017. These are really nice shoe, good quality. I mean, you can probably see the suede is really popping on the camera. It's a really nice quality. So it passes the rub test easily. So if you look on the side of the shoe, you have the German spelling of Cologne. We'll do a toe to tongue. Have a quick look in the insole. These do have the Ortholite footbed and your plain heel tab. Pretty cool. Look underneath, and we do have the standard for the tread. So first impressions, really nice reissue. Like with all City series, they're probably true to size. I'm going to try them on foot now, so there will be some images at the end, as I always do. So yeah, really nice shoe, highly recommended if you can still get hold of them. I've not checked, probably sold out I would guess at this point. Yeah, so there are a couple of good releases on the horizon, in particular the Berlin, which is out shortly. So looking forward to picking them up, within the next month, I think. So happy New Year, everyone! Have a great 2018, and I'll get these badges on foot now. Take care, and I'll catch you next time. Stay safe. Cheers.